So guys, for the first step, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then you want to scroll down and then click on settings. And now you want to click on privacy and security, and now you want to click on delete browsing data. You want to make sure that you're on the advanced tab, and then set the time range to all time, and you want to make sure that cookies and other site data and cache images and files have both been selected. You don't need to select anything else, you just want to select these two, cookies and cache. And now you want to click on delete data. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, we have some commands we need to type in. So the first one is going to be ipconfig /release. Click on enter. Now we're going to type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Click on enter again. And now you want to type in ipconfig /renew. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And now you want to type in netsh /int /ip /set DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh /winsock /reset. Click on enter again. And now you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.